80% of you is water. Did you know that? 65% of your bone is water. And all parts of the body are water. And if you don't replace the water in Chennai, you will feel tired in the evening. You have to drink plenty of water. And if you drink coffee, tea, you have to drink more water because they are good diuretics. And if you drink any one of those alcohols, God only help you. And those colored bottle things, they are poisons. Colored bottle things, I won't tell the name because they can sue me. All colored bottle things are poison. But our silver can destroy any virus in 5 minutes time. It improves your immune system so much that your body's own immune system comes up. But the United States FDA is trying to kill this. Because this has been so useful, now they say this will kill all germs. Supposing it gets into the sewerage system, then the germs, the good germs also die, then the sewerage system will get blocked and you will have smell all over the place. All humbug. It's all created things. Nothing happens. It never kills good germs. That's the interesting part of it. Because, see, again comes from old granny story. Rustum Roy had an old granny who insisted that he eats in a silver plate. When was this? 1910. And he drinks water from a silver glass. When he became a great material scientist, he said, why not I use this? Let me see silver, what does it do? I'll show you something which silver does. Fantastic thing it does. You saw this, right? I'll show you something else. Now people say, you have blocked vessel. Blocked vessel is not disease. Blocked vessel is a blessing. If any one of you don't have blocked vessels, I don't think you will be alive after the age of 40 if you don't have blocked vessels. Because these vessels start blocking when you are a child. And as they are blocking, for whatever reason they are blocking, I don't know, nature produces beautiful bypass. Beautiful bypass. That is what keeps you going. And not only that, your heart learns to live with less blood. Supposing you always have, let us say, 10 lakh salary, and one fine morning you lose your job, you will die. But supposing you retire with 1 lakh becomes half a lakh becomes 25,000 and becomes 10,000. Then Kirti Singh, of course, gets a DA enhancement every year. Other than that, all of us will have to live on that reduced thing. I used to get 15% interest on my gratuity money which I kept in the bank. Now only 6% it has come. What do I do? Instead of 3 meals, I eat only 2 meals. And I hope I live longer. But what is interesting is this, that the human system is so well built that body says, okay, I am going to reduce your blood supply. So get used to that. It is called preconditioning the heart. Preconditioning the heart. Today we have a treatment. Supposing you don't have a block, which happens in about 10% of the people. If you detect that somebody who has no block, we create blocks for them. Do you know what's the treatment? We put the blood pressure cuff here and go on inflating it, keeping it there till you get pain in the hand, releasing it again and again. So produce a block here, it preconditions your heart. Can you believe that? Fascinating it is. Yes, very interesting. Now I'll show you how we can do that. We can help nature. Very interesting. This is a 58-year-old lady who came to me without being able to walk 4 steps. Severe pain in the leg, intermittent claudication. Her vessel, big vessel in the abdomen was blocked just below the kidney, completely blocked. But she was still alive. Only thing is the blood supply was not enough. So she walked, needed more blood, it was not there. So she went to a 5-star hospital in Bangalore. She is from Bangalore. They did an angiogram of the neck and said your neck vessels are blocked, your brain vessels are blocked, your 4 vessels blocked in the heart, your all the vessels blocked below, and you require 1 bypass surgery here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. That frightened them. Do you know why they said that? This lady comes from a very rich family. So this is ideal bakra, you know. If you leave that bakra, you don't get that money. There was a man called Mark Twain who once said, for a man with a hammer in the hand and itching to use it, everything looks like a needle needing hammering. So for a man with the bypass surgery setup which costs about 30 crores of rupees, the return every day must be about 1 lakh of rupees. Otherwise he can't pay the interest on the loan. He is itching to bypass everybody who comes there. So this lady was a first-class bakra, but she was frightened of these operations. So she came to me, and this was the stage at which she came. I'll show you the. What is this? Water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. All of you see the water? And this is the water structure. See that? This took 5 years to find out the structure of the water. Such a complicated thing. What you see on the left-hand corner at the top is what you learnt in the chemistry class. H2O. Very simple. That's the water structure. And you see a lot of loose bonds there. We can put silver nanoparticles there. And water structure is a fascinating new field of research and human possibilities because 80% of you is water. Did you know that? 65% of your bone is water. And all parts of the body are water. And if you don't replace the water in Chennai, you will feel tired in the evening. You have to drink plenty of water. And if you drink coffee, tea, you have to drink more water because they are good diuretics. And if you drink any one of those alcohols, God only help you. And those colored bottle things, they are poisons. Colored bottle things, I won't tell the name because they can sue me. All colored bottle things are poison.